Hello. I just have to run some errands today. I'm gonna be out and about. So this is my like super easy, natural, quick, like kind of like an everyday, natural but full coverage, you know, makeup look. So let's get into it. So I already washed my face this morning, but I've been up for a few hours doing stuff. So I am going to just take a cotton pad and like a micellar cleansing water and just rub that all over my face. See? Alright, so now we're going to go in with our moisturizer. I'm going to use the Ole Henriksen Counterbalance Oil Control Hydrator. This one is really good if you tend to get oily skin. Using eye creams are very important. You want to take care of that skin underneath your eye. It is a very delicate area. So I'm going to go in with the Ole Henriksen Truth Banana Bright Eye Cream. This stuff is actually really good. I do notice a difference. Alright, so now that our skincare has kind of settled in and our skin has like absorbed it a little bit, we're going to go in with primer. I'm going to use the Spackle Tinted Under Makeup Primer in Champagne from Laura Geller. It leaves like a subtle glisten, like a subtle sheen to the skin, but it's not like glittery or sparkly by any means. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Laura Geller and a little bit of the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, the base mattifiant. I'm going to go in with a little bit of that, like that. On my palm, just a little bit of each, and use more of this on like the inside of my face. Let's go in with some foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline 24-hour foundation. This one here. I like to mix my foundations. I find it just works better for my color. It works better for my tone. So that's what I'm gonna do. But today we're just gonna go in with the Maybelline. So this one is in 112. This one is in 112 Natural Ivory, and this one here is in Porcelain 110. Because this is a very matte, very full coverage foundation, I am going to mix in a couple of drops, like 2 drops of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. I like to mix my foundations on this glass little like peachy thingy. So what we're gonna do, go in with our beauty blender. This one is from Morphe. I love their beauty sponges. They're amazing. And pounce away. And I look really pale, but it actually looks really good. If you have dry skin, you may not be a fan of this particular foundation. So now we have all of our foundation on. We are going to go in with concealer. I'm going to go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. So what I like to do is just go under the eye, down the side of the nose, and then just brush out from underneath. Once down my nose, and then like down the bridge, and then up. Cupid's bow, chin. So I'll go in with my damp beauty blender. Again, another one from Morphe. The same shape, just a smaller one. These come in 2 packs. They're awesome. I love these for under the eye because it has that really sharp corner. But I will go in, face the tip up when I'm on the right side of my face. So it blends up into the bridge of your nose, across the eye. It'll help kind of pat out a lot of that product that's right there. And then under, same on the other side, using the butt, and I kind of go back and forth. Across the Cupid's bow, all over the chin. So I'm going to go on with the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define concealer in C14. So this is meant for like a darker skin tone as a concealer, but because I'm so fair, I can actually use this to contour with. I take it once right here along my cheekbone, and then I'll just take like a synthetic fiber brush. Like this one is from ColourPop. Oh no, this one's from Morphe. I will go in with that brush and just kind of blend out that darker shade to contour with. If you find that there are any areas that need some help blending, go in with your beauty blender that you used with your concealer or your foundation and just kind of dab around those areas that you feel are a little bit harsh. And then what I will do before I set my face is go back in with my beauty blender and go under my eyes again to make sure that concealer is like blended out, because I crease pretty heavily in my under eye area. I will go in with a loose powder. I like the Airspun I like the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I will go ahead and take, again, a damp beauty blender. This one's from Morphe as well. And just kind of push that powder underneath the eye. I like to go in and contour my nose as well. Apply it in a little bit of a different technique. And then very quickly, because again, this stuff dries pretty quick, go in with a softer blending brush. This one is a ColourPop brush. So there's that side, blend it out. You can see a big difference already. And then go for the other side. You can see what a big difference it makes in like the shape of your nose. Take the same beauty blender I used to conceal with no extra product on it. Go in with the same setting powder, same wet beauty blender, and just kind of like dabbing it down my nose. And then into the corners. Make your nose look really neat, really clean. Exactly what we want. All right, then after letting the powder sit for a few minutes, I will go back in with just a fluffy brush and just kind of wipe away the powder, blend it all in together, bring the powder, whatever's really on the brush, you know, whatever I get on the brush, blend it down my neck. So let's get into brows. So funny, when I was younger, brows were not like a thing, and I had like really tiny, tiny thin eyebrows, and brows were just like not a thing. Now, brows are like everything. Like if you don't have good eyebrows, like, all right, so I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop brow pencil in Dope Taupe. I am a natural redhead, but since I've gotten older, my hair's gotten a little bit darker. So go in and just kind of feather it through my eyebrows just to get like an even base color going. Doing all right. Go in and do the tails. If they happen to be a little bit messy, don't worry, not a problem. We're gonna go back in and fix that. So now we're gonna go in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Studio Concealer. And then a flat concealer brush. This one, it's just a ColourPop brush. They're just small, flat concealer brush. And boom, we have brows. I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I love this palette. So what we're gonna do is go in with this color here, the Fourth Over. Go in with a little bit of that, and then just dab it in the crease. Again, no need to be really precise or really clean with this. I'm just trying to give my eyes a little bit of dimension. Since I went ahead and I put on foundation and concealer, I don't want my eyes to get lost in my face. Circular motion, blending upwards. And then let's go in with a little bit of a deeper color. So we're gonna go in with this one, second row, third over. Gonna go in with a little bit of that, and that just in the crease, into the outside corner, in the outside like V area of the eye. Again, blend up and out. What I like to do is mix those two colors on the same brush, tap off the excess, and then just blend under the eye. I'm gonna go in with the second shade here. This one, just a dab, and then place that right into the inner corners of the eye. And then buff that up and down out a little bit so it's not quite so harsh. Again, we want it to look natural, right? All right, done with shadows. On to, what do we want to do next? Let's do bronzer, blush, and a highlight. This excites me. I'm gonna go in with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula and a Morphe bronzing brush. This is the M530. It's my favorite bronzing brush. If you can tell, I use it often. I need to clean it. But I love this bronzer. Oh my God, it smells so good. lightly feather. I find that this particular product, it is like so hard to overuse this product because it's that good. It's just an amazing, amazing product. I love this bronzer. It's really, like I said, it's really hard to overuse it. It's not too warm. It's not too cool. I'm on the fair side and I really like it for that reason. It just never gets old. And the smell is freaking amazing. And go underneath your neck right here. And then it makes your face look so like, ooh, that hurt. Chiseled, as opposed to this side, you can actually see like my neck. This side, you can't. Blend, blend, blend. When in doubt, girl, blend. Blend your life away. That is the key to amazing makeup every single time. I'm gonna go in with some blush, Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, and then, oh hello, it just brings the life back to your face. I feel fresh when I'm wearing like a good peachy toned blush, and this is definitely it. Let's go in with some highlight. Because I want to go for a softer, more gentle look today, we are going to go in with our MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish. It has like a peachy undertone to it, but it's still pinky and gold at the same time. Give my face a light spray. Take a break, sip of coffee in my kitty cup. Right before it's completely dry and I still have a little bit of tack on my skin, I will go in with my highlighter. And this is my all-time favorite highlighting brush, my Morphe M510. Take a little bit of that, dust it over the chin. I heavily highlight my Cupid's bow because I have little lips. Very little lips. Go in with a little bit of that right on the tip of the nose. Then let's go in and finish off the eyes. Use just a little bit of like a brown kohl eyeliner, just a pinch, and just drag it along my lash line. So now let's go in with some mascara. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Eyelash Curler and my Essence Lash Princess. But I will go in and curl my lashes and then go in with some mascara. So because I want something really soft and natural, I don't want anything too heavy, I'm just going to go in with a liquid lip and a gloss, but very light with the liquid lip. Alright, and then we're going to go in with a little bit of gloss. This is the I Love Sari in ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Atole. Oh my god, this is like the best gloss if you're looking for a nice good gloss that goes with like nudes. This is the best. It's like a pinky, but it has like a gold shimmer to it, like a gold shift. It's not too pink. It's not too gold though. It's like perfect. And this is the finished look. Honestly, with this look, you could pop on a pair of false lashes and literally any lip color and look amazing. Out the door, you could wear this every day to work. You go like grab lunch with a friend really quick. You can wear this for that. I would go a little bit lighter for like the beach or like for the gym or something, but this look is always a go-to for me. If I just don't know what to do with my makeup and I just want to look decent and look cute and get out the door, this is what I'll do. This is always like a staple look in my book. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment below, subscribe, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.